Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be showing you how I created Pom Pom Pokemon. I think they look really cute and I'm really excited to try it out for myself, so here we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making Pikachu out of pom-poms. Now I'm actually going to be making my own pom-poms. So I'm going to take this yarn and I'm going to actually wrap it around 3 of my fingers, and I'm just going to wrap it around maybe 50 times, so I'll be back when I've done that. Okay, so I wrapped it around my finger 50 times, so I'm going to cut the end. Okay, so after I wrapped it around my hand for about 50 times, I'm going to slide it off my hand carefully. I don't want it to completely become unraveled. And I'm going to set it onto this piece of yarn that I'm going to tie around tightly in the middle as best as I can get it. I'm going to try and keep it as tight as possible. I'm just going to tie it around 4 times. Well, at least that's what I tie it around. Then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut in between all of these layers. As you can see, it kind of starts to look like a pom-pom. So I'm just going to cut the remainder of these layers. And then after this is when you give the pom-pom a little haircut. So there we go. It looks a little funky at the moment, but what I'm going to do is just cut off some of the yarn to help make it a better round shape. Now, if you want to make this bigger or more fuller, you can add more yarn, but this is pretty much what I decided to do. And as you can also see, there is going to be a giant mess from giving your pom-pom a haircut. Alright, there we go. I kind of like this. I like this length. So now I'm going to make another one of these. So I will be back when that is done. Okay, so I have my pom-poms and they are different in size, but I figured that's okay. So what I'm going to do is figure out the best angle to figure out which one will be the head and which one will not. So the bigger one's probably going to be the body, and then the bottom one will be the head. So I'm actually just going to use hot glue to glue them together. I figured that would probably be the best bet. So that's what I'm going to do. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be using some felt pieces to make the ears, the cheeks, and the eyes. I will not be making a mouth because that'll be too small and I'm just not doing it this time. You can definitely add on whatever features you want, or if you created a different Pokemon, you can choose whatever you want. It's all up to you. I'm going to rough a Pikachu ear shape. There we go. Now this yellow is a bit different from my pom-pom color, but this is the best color, closest color I had, so I'm using what I got. It's the best I can do. It's like, I'm sorry, Pikachu. Your colors are going to be a little off. Okay, and then I'm going to add some black pieces of felt to the tips of them. Alright, and then I'm just going to use a dab of hot glue, hopefully without burning myself would be wonderful. Alrighty, very good. Success on the second one. Alright, I'm now going to use a little bit of hot glue and glue them into the pom-pom. Alrighty, next are going to be the eyes. I'm going to make 2 circles as best as I possibly can. Okay, I made them a bit smaller and I think I'm gonna work with them because I don't know how much smaller I can make them without ruining them, and I typically really don't want to do that. So we're gonna work with what we got. Alrighty, the last thing I'm going to do are his cheeks. Alright, I have the little cheeks. I decided to make the whites and the eyes, and that took a lot of concentration and focus because I did not want to burn myself. Okay, and then here it is. Oh my god. It wasn't exactly what I was going for, but you know what? I'm I'm pretty happy with it, in all honesty. I think it is pretty cute. The pom-pom isn't that clean. That's probably part of the problem, and I probably should have used a pattern for the facial features, but you know what? I am happy with it. I think it is adorable, so I think I did a pretty good job, if I do say so myself. So I think it is so cute. So that is how I created the Pom Pom Pikachu. Like I said, I think the Pom Pom is a little bit on the messy side, but that's okay with me. I think it turned out really cute, and I'm overall very happy with it. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!